Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we go. Metmachex, awesome swinging arms, the ultimate, as you know. Got one in my bike. I can totally swear by it. Mine's the extended wider one, which again we can order wider ones in stock, which means you can fit like a 200 in a bagger. Okay, those bagger ones come with spherical bearings. This particular one is a shovel head, therefore they're just your normal taper roller sort of bearings in the thing, but good upgrade. We can offer the spherical bearings in all of these. As you can see, the welding absolutely stunning. That's what you call welding. Handmade in Britain. None of your CNC welders, even though the parts are all CNC. All these extra parts are CNC, and as you can see, welding on. Absolutely stunning quality. Sold a lot of these babies, and obviously if you've got an FXR shovel head or anything, you really want to look cool and also handle way better. Like I say, available in bigger sizes as well, or longer, so you can have actually an extended swinging arm, a wider swinging arm for a wider tyre. Spherical bearings, stock bearings, cleat blocks, whatever you want to fit. Give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com. Thank you.